Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to guide you through the steps on how to allow everyone to message you on the Roblox app for PC. With the recent updates, it's never been easier to connect with friends and fellow gamers. So let's dive right in. First, start by opening the Roblox app on your PC. Once you're logged in, you'll see the main interface welcoming you. Next, look to the left side of the menu. You'll notice 3 dots stacked on top of each other. Go ahead and click on those 3 dots. This is where you can access additional options and settings. Now, locate and click on the Settings option. This will bring up a new menu where you can customize your experience. Once you're in the settings, look for the Privacy tab. Click on it to proceed to your privacy settings, where you can manage who can interact with you on the platform. Finally, under the section labeled Who Can Message Me, you'll see several options. Here's where the magic happens. Select Everyone. This will allow all users, including those who are not on your friends list, to send you messages. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted your privacy settings to allow everyone to message you on Roblox. Now you can enjoy socializing and gaming even more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Roblox tips and tricks. Happy gaming!